Hey there, and welcome back to How to Draw. Today, we're diving into the creepy and creative as we learn how to draw Sky Horror, a quirky yet chilling character. So grab your sketchbook and let's get started. Step 1. Sketching the head shape. We'll begin with Sky Horror's head. Start by drawing a large circle, keeping it light and loose. This will be our base. From there, lightly sketch two smaller circles at the top corners for the abstract ring shapes that make this character unique. Drawing advice. Remember, your first lines don't have to be perfect. Think of them as a rough guide to help you shape your drawing. You can always refine them later. Step 2. Adding facial features. Next, let's give Sky Horror its creepy personality. Draw two uneven, large oval eyes near the center of the face. One eye should be slightly bigger and popping out. This adds a dramatic and unsettling effect. Then, sketch the wide-open mouth with rounded edges to complete its terrified expression. Drawing advice. Don't be afraid to exaggerate features. Over-the-top shapes and sizes are what make characters like Sky Horror stand out. Think bold. Step 3. Drawing the rings and antennas. Now, it's time to add those iconic details. Around the top of the head, draw several pointed antennas and loops. Some can extend outward while others curve slightly. Add thin stalks to each to give them dimension. Keep them uneven to enhance the eerie vibe. Drawing advice. Varying line thickness can make a big difference in adding depth. Use light pressure for small details and firmer strokes for bold outlines. Step 4. The neck and base. For the body, draw a narrow, tapered neck that leads into a triangular base. Add a few simple details to the neck, like a thin line to suggest depth. To finish, sketch a small disconnected piece near the bottom for an extra eerie, surreal touch. Drawing advice. Take breaks and step back from your drawing. Looking at it from a distance helps you spot areas that might need adjustments. Step 5. Final details and touches. Finally, refine the lines, erase any unnecessary sketches, and clean up your work. You can also add shading or details to bring the character to life. If you want, you can even color Sky Horror for an extra spooky effect. And there you have it, Sky Horror in all its eerie glory. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, practice makes progress, so don't worry if it's not perfect. Share your version of Sky Horror in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more drawing tutorials. See you next time.